Hello, I'm Gordon Morse, your natural English coach, and I'm here to answer your questions about English that you won't read in a textbook or hear in a classroom. So, let's look at our question for today. What's the difference in pronunciation between words like 17 or 7T? How do natural English speakers tell them apart? Can you even hear the difference when I say them, 17 and 7T? It's very tricky, actually. So, the difference is actually quite difficult, even for native speakers of English, surprisingly enough. You would think that there would be an easier way to determine the difference between these two sounds, but unfortunately, that's just one of the difficult parts of English. When 17 and 7T are said at a natural speed, they can sound almost identical, which can be a big problem because when you have two numbers that sound almost the same, it can cause a lot of confusion. So the final N sound at the end of the word is the key to pronunciation here. 17 and 7T. Can you hear it now? Even if I'm saying it slowly, it might be difficult to hear. This teen and T sound happens with a lot of different number pairs, all the way from 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, all of those numbers, and all the way up to 9T, 19 and 9T. As you can see, there's a lot of numbers that sound very similar. So I think the best way to learn is to practice. All right. Here's a sentence where I have removed two of the words. I'm going to say the sentence, and I want you to figure out which word is going to go in the blank. Is it going to be a teen word or a T word? So, I have 17 shirts and 70 socks. I have 17 shirts and 70 socks. If you're listening closely, you could hear I have 17 shirts and 7T socks. Were you able to hear that one? Let's try another one. My aunt turned 90 in 1990. My aunt turned 90 in 1990. Did you catch that one? So this one was my aunt turned 90 in 1990. The year is a little bit tricky because we have both the 19 and 9T sounds. Again, when we're speaking at a normal pace, it can be very hard to distinguish the difference. Here's some practice for you. Practice counting teen and T numbers from 13 to 90 5 times a day. It seems like a lot, but that's the only way you will improve both your pronunciation and your listening ability. Just slowly say out loud to yourself, 13, 14, 15, 16, etc., etc. Try and do that a few times a day, and over the course of time, your pronunciation and your listening ability will improve. If you have more questions about learning English, leave a comment and I can help. Also, if you want to learn more about natural English coaching with me, visit the website below and you can take a completely free natural English assessment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.